everyone, it's Marky. Today let's talk about the Chia Pet. These are so fun to do, so fun with kids, or if you're just an adult and you like to do things like this, it is such a fun little activity. This comes with everything that you need. It comes obviously with the Chia Pet itself. We got Chewbacca. There's a whole bunch of different other ones you can get. It also comes with this packet of the chia seeds, and then this drip tray that you actually just keep this in so that your seeds, or you're not gonna make a mess when you're watering it. Super easy to use. You just soak this in water and then you spread your chia seeds over the area that you want covered in the growth from the plant itself. And then, yeah, just put it in the drip tray and you are going to have full growth in 1 to 2 weeks. So it's really fast, it's super fun to watch. This is also reusable, so once the chia seeds have kind of started to wilt and die down a little bit, which they will do, you can just take the old growth off and start over again, and it's just so fun to watch, and it always looks so cute. This little hole right here is just where you fill it with water. Super, super easy. You can mist it also if they start to look a little bit dry. Just mist it with a spray bottle. So fun, so cute. If you are looking for something fun to maybe do with your kids, or if you are just maybe into plants and you want to have a fun little activity and hobby, I would highly recommend you look into this. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you.